Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I know this pot is bubbling with life and it is looking so delicious. I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious, finger-licking, delicious, absolutely mouth-watering plantain porridge. This recipe is so easy and it delivers on taste and flavor, and you're definitely going to love it. So if you're new here, do click the subscribe button and be a part of this channel and endeavor to watch this video till the end. For this recipe, I'm going to be using ripe and unripe plantain. I love to mix both together, but I use a larger quantity of the ripe. And here I have already chopped up my unripe plantains in small chunks just so that it cooks as fast as the ripe ones are going to cook. Now here I am going to show you my ripe plantain, and here it is. I cut it in larger chunks just because they are softer, sweeter, and they tend to cook faster. So I want it and the unripe plantain to cook at the same time. For my pepper base, I am going to be using some scotch bonnet for heat, some tomato, tatashe, which I am going to deseed, and then onion. I have more tatashe, scotch bonnet, and onion, and less tomato. Also for this recipe, we're going to be using some smoked kpanla fish. Let me just say this fish is the most underrated ever and it delivers on quality and taste. Also, I am using some smoked Titus fish, mackerel fish, Titus, whatever you choose to call it. This fish is a must-have, okay? If you're cooking Nigerian meals, it is a must-have. I'm going to clean this and set it aside while we get into making our porridge. Into my pan, I add some palm oil. Okay, please endeavor to use a very good palm oil because the quality of palm oil you use can either make or break your dish. I go in with my smoked fish that I've already cleaned, and then some momo, which is cow skin. Nigerian food is not complete without it, okay? Now, I am not frying. I am just trying to infuse the palm oil with the flavor of the smoked fish and the momo. This will enhance the entire flavor and taste of our porridge and give it that very local taste and flavor. Once they are fried for about 6 minutes, I am going to add in my pepper mix, which I roughly blended using a chopper. I spread this evenly while cooking on low heat because low heat helps your meal to cook at evenly rate and endeavors that everything just marries well together. I added some stockfish that I soaked in hot water, and then I went in with crayfish powder. I'm seasoning with salt and some seasoning cube, and that is it for my seasoning. I'm going to give this a very good stir to make sure that everything is well combined. The fish, the pepper, the smoked fish, the seasoning, everything, let it just be combined and get married together, okay? And then I'm going to allow this to fry for at least 6 to 7 minutes. You want your pepper mix to be properly fried like a sauce and not be raw when you add in your plantains. So now I'm adding my unripe plantains and also my ripe plantains. Once you add this in, go in with enough water to cook your plantains till they are completely cooked through. Give this a very good stir to combine the plantain and the sauce together, and once it is combined, please taste it again to make sure that the water you added didn't over dilute your seasoning. If you need to adjust your salt and seasoning, please go ahead and adjust it. Mine was fine, it did not need any adjusting. Cover and allow this to cook on very low heat. The vegetables I am using for this pottage are scent leaf, okay? I'm going to be using scent leaf, I'm going to be using some curry leaf, and I'm also going to be using uziza leaf. So you can tell that the flavor and the aroma and the taste is on another level, okay? It is absolutely delicious. At this point, my plantains are very, very cooked. I go ahead to just mash them lightly. I'm not trying to mash them to a puree, but I just like to mash my pottage, okay? You can skip this if you do not like it, but I like to mash my plantains just so that everything becomes really thickened and looks nice. I also add some extra crayfish powder, cover and allow that to simmer for 2 minutes because that just enhances the flavor and taste again. Yes, flavor is essential when you are cooking. I go ahead to add in my washed and chopped vegetables, the uziza, curry leaf, and scent leaf, and then I give this a very good stir. Let me tell you, once you're stirring in the vegetables, all you will want to do is take a spoon and just start digging into this porridge because the aroma that is going to fill your home oh my goodness, it is absolutely delicious. If you've watched this video up to this point, that means you're enjoying it. So do make sure to subscribe and be a part of my channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a post. Once I have stirred in my vegetables, I typically turn off my heat and then my plantain pottage is ready. Pottage, porridge, what do you call it? Let me know in the comment section. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.